Okay, well, welcome, my audience out there. I want us to take a look at this question quickly. And the question says, find the value of R, letter R, if 5, open bracket, R minus 3, close bracket equals to 20. That means this letter R here stands for a value. Now, we're going to take it gently and one after the other. And the first thing to do quickly is now um, just to rewrite the question, which is 5 into R minus 3 equals 20. Now, first of all, we need to do away with this bracket. And how do you do away with this bracket? Is you're going to use this 5 to open the bracket. And 5, then one after the other, this 5 will multiply the R, this five will multiply minus 3. So 5 times R is 5R. 5 times minus 3 is minus 15 is equals to 20. You can see now the bracket is gone. So here we're going to compare like terms. 15 and 20 are like terms. So minus 15 will come to this side. You can see how we are breaking it down. So we're going to be left with 5R 20. Now the law says when a sign causes an equals to sign, it will change. So minus will become plus. So it becomes plus 15 here. So we have 5R 20 plus 15 is 35. So what does this mean? 5 times 1 will give us 35. So to do that, you can just divide both sides by 5, here by 5. 5 comes to 5. So letter R is what? 5 into 35 is 7. So letter R is what? 7. So whenever you substitute 7 here as R, we are going to get exactly 20. So that is it. It's as simple as that. Thank you.